Welcome back. Today we are going to do chapter number 4, Introduction to E-commerce of Standard 12. So let's begin. First, which of the following has revolutionized the way business is conducted nowadays? Correct option is A. E-commerce. Then second, the use of internet for conducting business activity is known as what? Correct option is A. E-commerce. Then third, in which kind of business customers can browse the products catalog and available offers? Correctly guessed. It is B. E-commerce. Fourth, which of the following is not an example of online bookstore website? Correct option is B. www.mybookAccount.com is not an example of online bookstore website. Next one, which is a famous online bookstore? A. www.amazon.com. Sixth, which were the first applications of e-commerce website on internet? Correct option is B. Bookshops. Then 7. E-newspaper is a newspaper that exists on the internet in which of the following form? Correct option is C. Digital form. 8th. What do you need to sell an item through an online auction site? Correct option is C. Register. First you have to register, okay? Then 9th. Which of the following is famous website for online auction? All of these. That is eBay, MyBids and UBids are the famous websites for online auctions. 10th. In e-commerce, which of the following is the process of buying and selling products by offering the customers to bid the price? Correct option is auction. 11th. Which of the following application of e-commerce includes an example like the website www.irctc.co.in of Indian Railways? Correct option is B. Marketing and selling. 12th. In which type of service of e-commerce the notices and the reminders sent to you the customer by the companies or banks? Correct option is information service. Then, which of the following service is provided to the customer by the companies or banks? It is all of these. That is, a customer can check account balance at any time, obtain statements for credit and debit, and pay various online bills like telephone and electricity bills without going to the bank. Then 14. How can you identify this facility e-commerce when software vendors that are sellers also allow their licensed customers to download the recent update of the software? Correct option is B. Support services. Then education institutes provides examination result, online enrollment forms, etc. through the internet is an example of which type of online services? It is information service. Okay. 16. Software companies provides which type of online services to their customers for any problem in installation, configuration or use? Correct option is B. Support services. Then 17. Which of the following is the process of conducting the banking transactions over the internet? Correct option is D. Online banking. 18th. What is the URL of State Bank of India? It is option B. www.onlinesbi.com. Then 19. Which of the following service customer cannot avail with the help of online banking? Correct option is C. Cash withdraw or deposit. 20. What is provided to the customer for online banking services with which he or she logs into the site of the bank? Correct option is A. Password. Then, which of the following statement is true for services provided by online banking? Correct option is only 1 and 3. That is, statement number 1 and statement number 3 are correct. Customer can check account balance at any time and the customer can transfer the money from one account to another. These are the correct statements. 22. Which of the following is the correct website for online banking of Punjab National Bank? Correct option is C. www.pnbindia.in. 23. Which is the correct website for Dena Bank? Correct option is D. www.denabank.co.in. 24. Which type of banking is getting more popular day by day? It is both A and B. Then 25. Which is the correct website for Indian Railway? It is option C. www.irctc.co.in. 26. Once the ticket is booked, that will be sent to you on your mail as well as an SMS on your mobile. What is that? It's option A. E-copy, right? Then 27. What is similar in online shopping and original shopping? What is similar? Okay, there is one similar thing, that is shopping cart. Option A. Then 28. Which of the following popular site is used for marketing and selling? all of these. Then 29. Which type of vendors put software drivers for their devices so that the customer can download them by choosing proper product type and model? The correct option is B. Hardware. 30. Which of the following website is correct for online banking? It is only A and B, that is centralbankofindia.co.in and www.bankofbaroda.co.in. These two are correct for online bankings. Then 31. Which of the following is a feature of traditional commerce? Option C. Operates within a certain period of time or during business hours. Then, which online stores in India is becoming quite popular of e-commerce from the following? That is all of these. That is Paytm, Domino and Flipkart are becoming quite popular of e-commerce in today's world. Then 33. Which of the following factor is playing role for growth of e-commerce in India? The correct option is all of these, that is increase in use of mobile devices, option B available of much wider product range, and option C lack of time for traditional shopping. Which of the following is not a common feature of traditional commerce? Option B reduces the per transaction cost. Then which of the following is not a property of e-commerce? C spreads to limited area only. Then next, which of the following factors is not playing an important role for the growth of e-commerce in India? It is option A. Electronic devices without internet like computer, mobile and tablet. 37. Which of the following factors are playing role for growth of e-commerce in India? Correct option is broadband and 3G 4G services. Then, what is the percentage of Indian e-commerce business uses cash on delivery mechanism? The correct option is 80%. Okay. Then next, who are optimistic about the future of e-commerce industry in India? Option B, industry experts. Then, which of the following cost is not an advantage of e-commerce? The correct option is privacy. Then 41. E-commerce provides which of the following benefit to the society? It is all of these, that is buy from home, office or any place, healthcare services and distance learning and education. Then 42. Which of the following is an advantage of e-commerce? It is C, teamwork. 43. From following, which is a limitation of e-commerce? Option D, security. 44. Which of the following is not an advantage of e-commerce? The correct option is B, lack of trust. 45. Which of the following is an advantage of e-commerce? D, conduct business 24 hours 7 hours. Then, which of the following is an advantage of e-commerce? The correct option is speed, right? Then, which of the following is a limitation of e-commerce? It is security. Again, which of the following is a limitation of e-commerce? Now it is resistance to change. Then 49. What is the primary concern in e-commerce? Option B, security. 50. When we click on the icon of any of the ebook, it shows which of these details? Option B, ISBN number. 51. On pressing which button will add your book in the shopping cart? Option B, buy this ebook. Then, which of the following is an example of e-commerce business model? B2C website. Correct option is D, all of these, that is Amazon.com, Webmart.in and Rediff.com. Then 53. What is refer to e-commerce activities between different business partners? The correct option is B2B. Then, which of the following website is not an example of e-commerce business model B2C? The correct option is TradeIndia.com. 55. eBay.com, OLX.com and Quikr.com website are examples of which of the e-commerce business model? Obviously, it is C2C. Then, from the following, who represents B2B e-commerce business model? Correct option is both A and B, that is www.tradeindia.com and www.commodity.com. These both represent B2B e-commerce business models. Okay. Then next, which of the following business model refers to business and organization that sells products or services to consumers over the internet using websites? The correct option is D, B2C. Then 58. Which of the following is an example of B2C website? It is Fabmart.com. Then, which of the following business model enables the business to form e-relationship with their suppliers, distributors and other agents. The correct option is D. B2B. Then 60. Which of the following business model refers to e-commerce activities involving transaction between and among the consumers? The correct option is A. C2C. 61. Which of the following is a feature of e-commerce? Option D. Advertising of the product is done electronically. Then 62. Commodity.com and TradeIndia.com websites are examples of which of the following e-commerce business models? The correct option is B. B2B. Then 63. Which of the following website is not an example of customer to customer, that is C2C e-commerce business model? Correct option is Rediff.com, that is option B. 64. From the following, in which e-commerce model sellers can sell products directly to the consumers and buyers and individually customers? D is the correct option, that is C2C. 65. From the following, which are the example of B2B model? It is commodity.com, it is option A. 66. Which of the following business model is the type of e-commerce that the consumers are most likely to see on internet? It is option D. B2C. Then, which of the following business model allows us more transparency among the business entities involved and results in more efficiency? The correct option is D. B2B. Then 68. What else B2C also includes apart from online retailing? The correct option is D. All of these, that is online banking, real estate services and travel services includes in B2C. Then which of the following is known as process of conducting the banking transactions over the internet? It is option C. Net banking. 70. Which network developed by the Gujarat government provides information regarding various government departments, different application forms to be used to citizen? Option A. GSWAN. Then 71. The person who sells the product, who places the products on the website, is known as the seller. Okay. Then 72. The person who bids for a product on the website is known as option B. Bidder. Come on, the answer is in the question itself. 73. The arrangement of products, store, design and layout is called, come on, stop thinking, obviously it's a merchandising, right? Option A. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos like this and comment your reviews below down. Thank you so much.